Alright, I got the ZLJUAN portable safe. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. This is a quick access safe. It's a biometric fingerprint safe, and it has a digital keypad on it. You get a box with the key in it, and you get a box with the rest of the items that come with it. 2 keys in here. First thing you're going to have to do is open this up to get into the inside. Inside you get a security cable. I'm not sure exactly where this hooks up, but I believe that it actually sits inside of this slot. You can close the case on it, attach this other end somewhere if you wanted to. You're going to get a set of mounting hardware with screws and anchors on there. You're going to get a mini screwdriver that we're going to use to access this. This is how we're going to put our batteries in and program it. And you're going to get a really nice set of instructions, good detailed instructions, really easy to follow. All right, so when we open this up, you can see that it's padded all the way around. Just want to show you, if we grab one of these by the corner here, you can see the mounting holes, and you can mount it to wherever you want. There's a little strip that goes through here. I'm assuming that's for some kind of data, so we want to be careful with that. I was able to fit my full-size SW Sigma in here, and as you can see, I could have got 2 of them in here, just like that. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take the screwdriver that they've given us and undo this screw right here. Take this cover off. It uses AAA batteries. We'll slide those in there. When you first get the safe, it comes pre-programmed with this code right here. So the first thing we want to do after we get the batteries in is program our own master code in there. We're going to press and hold this button until it beeps. We're going to enter our code and then press this button again until it beeps. It's quickly, and our code will be set. So let's do it. Beeps. Enter our new code. Press it again. And then we're done. So let's check our new code. There it is. Simple as that. Now we've got our master code in here. We're good to go ahead and start programming our biometric stuff. We're going to do the same exact thing we did with the keypad, but we're going to use our fingerprint, and we're going to hold it over there and keep pressing it on there until it tells us to stop. So let's hold this in place till it beeps. Then let's do our fingerprint. All right, green light says it got it, so let's try it. There it is. Simple as that. You can program up to 20 different fingerprints on here. So something like this would obviously be great for the nightstand, maybe in a drawer by the bed, the car, the office, under your sink. There's all kinds of different options for a portable safe like this. I like it. The ZLJUAN portable quick access safe.